Did you know one of the biggest UFC events was almost derailed by a terrifying terror plot? Hold on to your seats, because Dana White just dropped an absolute bombshell about Freedom 250, revealing that the infamous FBI foiled drone attack wasn't the asterisk-only threat. White sensationally told TMZ Sports he was in the loop on asterisk's multiple sinister plots happening in real time, sending shivers down our spines just thinking about the behind-the-scenes drama. Imagine, 5 individuals, including a 19-year-old, allegedly planned to use explosives-packed drones and a sniper rifle near the White House. Pure Hollywood thriller material. Yet, despite this unbelievable danger, Dana insists DC was the safest place in America that night thanks to the incredible FBI. He even dismissed it as normal stuff for such high-profile events, a statement that has definitely sparked some online chatter. The good news is, the event went off without a hitch, but it leaves us wondering about the hidden dangers celebrities and major events face. From speculating about Ilia Topuria's future after a brutal fight, to what's next after epic events at 1600 Penn and the Sphere, we're left with so many burning questions about the future of UFC. Don't miss out on more exclusive insights into Hollywood's wildest stories. Smash that subscribe button now.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the latest Hollywood gossip and celebrity updates.